We have three files here, A, B, and C. In file B, we declare a variable and set its value to 0. Then we send it out using the named export. In file C, we also create a variable and set its value to 0, but this time we send it out using the default export. Then in file A, we import file B and C. Next, we console log the two imported values. What kind of result do you think we will get? We got 2 zeros. In file B, behind the named export, we add 1 to the value of number B. In file C, we do the same. Behind the default export, we add 1 to the value of number C. What kind of result do you think we will get this time? We can see we got 1 and 0. So why? When we export a variable using the named export, we are not sending out the variable value. We are actually sending out a dynamic reference of this variable. As a result, the import statement in file A will receive the dynamic reference of number B, not its actual value. As a result, when we output number B in file A, we will get its latest value, which is 1. But with the default export, things are different. All values are exported without a name. The variable number C itself has never been exported. Only the dynamic reference that points to number C's current value will be sent out and received by the import statement in file A. No matter how we change the value of number C after we have exported it, at the import side, we will always get number C's original value, which is 0. Now let's review. The difference between exporting a variable using the named export and the default export is that the named export will send out the dynamic reference that points to the variable. The default export, however, will send out the dynamic reference that points to the variable value. When you export variables using the named export, make sure you remember that you are exporting a dynamic reference of the variable, not the current variable value. If you change the variable value after the named export, the import side will receive the new value, not the value from the export statement.